To realize the vision of Aatma Nirbhar Bharat, definitely manufacturing in India will be very, very crucial, and which has been happening under the Make in India focus, the initiative. But equally, if not more importantly, is the focus on design and develop in India, and which I mean designing and developing solutions, especially in the context of, let's say, the new technologies, to build the core competence for designing and developing in India. For that, requisite investments and efforts have to be made not only by industry players but also by policymakers. Okay, organizations like ICCT play a very key role in providing all the requisite information in terms of research and others to for policymakers to dip into and devise policies, well thought out policies, which will contribute towards, let's say, a sustainable transportation industry. And events like ICTS, I think they're very, very important in terms of as an event, or let's say a knowledge and networking forum for all key stakeholders, let's say in the context of sustainable mobility. And as we all know, the new age industry is becoming an increasingly collaborative industry, and collaboration is increasingly the name of the game. So it's a no-brainer that forums like this one will be increasingly more important in the coming years, and therefore it's more important that all key stakeholders come together and participate in such forums, and great learning experience, and also exchange of ideas, which will not only potentially help individual organizations but collectively the industry as well.